Flap, flap, flap. The sun goes down. Time to go home. The bird flies back to the forest. He lands and walks over to his favorite tree. Now he's tired because he spent all day out fishing. Just then, he hears his friend, Miss Wolf.
Ow! Ow!
Hello, Mr. Bird. You're home. Don't go to sleep yet. One last game of hide and seek. Ha-ha! You walked right past. I was by my tree. Next, a game of tag. You're it. Try and catch me. And they played tag in the night under the pretty stars for a long, long time until... Whoa! You see that?
Whoa! The tree from your story!
No way. Look, this one's growing. Sayo, get us out of here. Oh! Hurry up. It's getting big. Oh.
Hold on tight, girls. Curves up ahead.
Whoa! Oof, oof. We're safe.
Looks like we're stuck till the wheel gets fixed.
Huh? Can you turn on the kitchen light first?
Oh, me?
Huh? Don't be afraid, Chloe. I'm right here beside you. I'm still having fun even though it's dark. Sayo, all you've got to do is flick on the switch.
Great idea. Or even better, what if we all go together?
No thanks, but we'll be waiting here when you get back.
Oh, hang on.
You're gonna use your magic again?
Try this on for size. We could just sleep here and pretend like we're camping.
So, what do you think, Chloe? Do you want to stay in the tent? Everyone likes sleeping under the stars. Nah.
What's a little rain? It's nice. Makes everything clean. Just listen to that. I love the sounds of nature. Whoa.
You okay?
Oh.
Don't worry. I've got a great idea. You wait here, Chloe. Don't worry. I'll protect you, Chloe. Stormy winds don't scare me. Aha! A curtain monster. Here goes. Ah! Ha! 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 Huh? Ah!
Yay! You did it!
See? Told you I'd protect you. There's nothing to worry about, because no one scares my sister. Chloe, I got rid of the curtain monster. Nothing can hurt you now. Yeah, stay away from my sister. Huh? Aww. Here. And this. Now you can do anything. Just like me. And together we're even stronger. Don't be afraid. Huh? Aww. You did it! You're my hero!
Oh. Who turned on the lights? Come on to bed, girls.
Kongsuni? Chloe? Oh, there they are. They must have gotten up while I was taking a bath.
Our little adventurers.
Know what? I'm not that afraid of the dark now, or of the thunder.
Yeah, me neither. Thunder's just the clouds clapping.
Right, except that your eyes kept rolling around.
What? No way! I was just playing, you know, to make you two laugh.
It's okay. You don't need to feel bad about it. We all get a little scared.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I bet even monsters get scared.
Yeah, maybe. I bet you they're afraid of me.
What? Really? But why you? You're sweet and you love hugs.
I know. They don't like that stuff.
Kongsuni,
Huh?
got something for you. Ready? Ta-da!
Yay! What is it?
Well, I know how much you like to decorate, so they're stickers.
Yeah! Wow, Mommy, they're so pretty. Thank you. I'll put them on my special things.
I'm glad you like them. Thanks for always helping me. Chloe's very lucky to have you for a big sister. You should be proud of yourself, sweetie.
Mom, I like her.
That's so good to hear. And do you want to know something? She copies you because she wants to be like her sister. You're one of her favorite people.
Huh?
Think of it this way. You can rebuild together.
Not again. Chloe!
The duck says,
Quack, quack.
the pig says,
Oink, oink.
the owl says,
Hoot, hoot. I like field trips. So did you love being outside? I know. Ooh.
Okay, children, all set to show your little friends their new home?
Yeah!
Drum roll. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Look with your eyes.
They're gonna grow legs. They are? Look! I think this one looks kind of different. So many spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. I wonder if they get freckles like people.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you see that? When it wriggles, the freckles move. I really like that one. Can I have it?
We can't keep them. Mrs. Kim said we're just watching. Let's not hurt them, Kay. They're our tiny friends.
I'm only just pretending. Besides, I saw it first, so it's gonna be mine. Swim, little squirmy, who's gonna be a froggy? Wiggle, 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 and jump.
That still doesn't mean it's yours. Let's take care of the tadpoles together. We should love them equally. We don't want one to feel left out, do we?
That one. It's mine. Hey, little guy, you need a good name.
I love the spots on my tadpole, so I'm gonna call it Speckles. Up here, Speckles.
Cool. Mine is gonna be gigantic. That's why I'm naming it Gigantosaurus.
Like a dinosaur.
Gigantosaurus Rex.
I know. Let's give them all names.
Good idea. This one should be Stumpy, and
I
that
want
one...
to name one too. Let me do it. Wait, I'm sorry. I just want to name our friends together. What do you say? Let's hurry. It's almost recess. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
That's a cool space creature.
No, Dad. It's supposed to be a tadpole. It's my new friend.
Oops. Right. I see it now. Boy, it's a big one.
And a cute one.
Cutest one I've ever seen.
Dad, know what? Our class went on an adventure and we caught a whole bunch of them.
Well, isn't that exciting? Good for you.
And you see this part here? Mine has pretty spots. I counted 7 of them.
Oh, must mean it's special. I know you're gonna take really good care of it.
Promise. You're my favorite tadpole in the whole universe, Speckles. Mommy! Mom, wake up! Time to go to school. I've got to see Speckles.
Did I sleep in this morning? Huh? What's the hurry? It's still way too early to go.
Speckles needs its breakfast.
Oh, I don't think tadpoles eat breakfast. Just give it a big lunch.
But you said everyone should eat breakfast before school. Mommy, it's time for me to go to school. Can't you hurry up? I need to see Speckles.
I know, sweetie. And you've been such a patient girl. Just a few more seconds, Kay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. Come on, Mom!
Oh. Hey, honey, can you walk Kongsuni down to the bus stop?
Oh. You're sure up early for a Saturday? Gonna be the best weekend ever.
School day.
Right, of course. Silly me. The week's just started.
All right. Time to freshen your water. This will make you happy.
You coming?
Yes, be right there.
Cool, right? Yeah, it's the best. Morning, Miss
No,
Kay.
slow down. No running, remember?
Good morning, Miss Kim. We're a bit early.
Nice to see you, Eve. Morning, Mr. Dinosaur.
No! Where'd it go?
Huh?
What's the matter, Kongsuni?
How come my tadpole isn't in the fishbowl?
Take another close look. Maybe it's hiding. They can be sneaky.
I don't see it, Miss Kim.
Yeah, me neither.
It's gone. My Speckles is gone. Come back to me.
Kongsuni, please don't cry. We can find you a different tadpole.
I don't want another one. I just want mine.
I'll be right over here, okay, sweetie?
Kongsuni, are you feeling any better?
Huh. I keep hoping I'll go back and find it in the fishbowl.
Yeah, I know. It was definitely the coolest one of the whole bunch.
It was big and it had those marks. But not just that, it was so special to me. I'll never find another one like it.
I know we're not allowed to keep them, but you could pretend to have my tadpole.
No, I can't. Your tadpole isn't the same.
Yeah, I guess you're right. They're all one of a kind. Just like people. There's nobody else like us. Hey, I know.
Huh?
Want to ride bikes, maybe? That always makes me happy.
Why are you walking like that? Ugh, I'm getting dizzy.
Can't you think of something, Sao?
Oh, hang on. I got nothing.
How about this? We solve it like a mystery.
Mystery?
Like on TV. At the end, they always find the answer. I can do that too.
Like a detective. Perfect. You know what this calls for?
What?
A special mystery-solving costume. What else?
Oh, yeah. I like it.
So, what do you think?
I love my new outfit. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Sayo.
Okay, Sleuth, ready? We're off.
Let's go. We've got to find my tadpole. Nothing's gonna get in our way.
I know. Nah, won't work.
I've got a plan. We need to be detectives.
We do?
When there's a riddle, the guy with the hat finds the answer. And that could be me.
Great idea. But first, you're gonna need a hat.
What?
On TV, you know how Sherlock and those guys look.
Yeah, right. You're on.
Yes, much better. Ready for your first mystery. Come on, let's get going.
I love it so much. Sayo, thank you. Your magic power's the best.
Oh, yeah? Well, you know.
We can do it. We're gonna find my tadpole, and nothing's gonna stop us.
I sure hope you're right. Wait, you're onto something. Be positive. Am I right?
Yeah!
I'm a detective looking for my tadpole. Yahoo! I've got to search everywhere I can. All around the room, I've got to look. Can't miss a thing. I've got to think. We will solve this mystery. Yo, Kongsuni! Yo, Sayo! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, clap your hands. High five, best of friends, yeah! We'll keep on looking until we find him. Yahoo! Maybe I'll look behind the couch or on the desk. Under this book, we'll track it down. Kongsuni and Sayo, we will solve this mystery. Yo, Kongsuni! Yo, Sayo! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, always best of friends. First, I'll set up a lost and found file, and then we can type in all our clues. Okay, now, I need to know what it looks like. You know, height, weight, that kind of stuff.
Small, black. And the last time I saw it, it was at school. It can't be far, because it doesn't even have legs.
No mustache, no beard, slippery.
Today's the day we're gonna bring it back to school. No way it can stay missing forever. We just have to find the water that it's made a new home in.
Now that's using your brain, my little detective. So, we'll look for fresh water that's near your school.
Into the store, please, Kongsuni.
Huh? Fresh water!
Can I help you find something, miss?
Hey, mister. I'm looking for my new friend Speckles. Have you seen it?
No. Is it a cat? Or maybe a fluffy dog?
Not even close. It's a tadpole. And the prettiest and biggest one in my whole school.
Huh.
And know what? It doesn't even have its legs yet.
Oh.
I bet it's in there. It loves cold water, and maybe it even loves bean sprouts. I know I do.
Well, miss, we don't really get a lot of tadpoles here.
Right. Tadpoles don't need groceries.
Do you want to keep looking? All right, that's what I like to hear.
You know what? I think I just might have a hunch. Huh. Sam, how come your hand's all wet?
Huh?
Were you looking for Speckles?
Huh?
The mud puddles, that's where you were looking.
Who, me?
So, did you find it?
No.
All right. Now where do we go to next? I could search around the bathrooms, and maybe you can check in the kitchen.
I'm sorry. I can't keep looking for it right now. I'm supposed to go to my neighbor's house. You know what? Maybe it's time to stop looking for your tadpole. It's probably fine. If you're still gonna look, I can help you later.
Interesting. Huh? Eve.
Huh?
Any clues to share with Detective Kongsuni?
Detective?
I mean, find anything suspicious?
Like what?
You know, anything that would help me find my speckles?
Oh, right. I guess I forgot about that.
I can't forget. My friend's lost, and I'm not gonna rest until it's home safe. That's my promise. You have an eagle eye, and that's what I need on my team.
Can you start without me and I'll catch up with you later? I have a singing lesson today and I need to practice more. It's hard to remember all the words to my new song. I really hope you find your tadpole friend, though.
What? You don't want to be my detective partner? It's a super important job, you know.
Come on, Eve. Let's sing. We're gonna help you practice.
Okay, thanks a lot, guys.
We could sing while we look for clues. You can change the words to places we should look, and you can make tadpole sounds.
Kongsuni? Tadpoles don't make any sounds.
Yeah, you might be right. What if we just yell speckles?
Huh? Hey, girls, want to go outside? Maybe we could play catch.
Sure, I will.
Yeah, let's throw a ball.
I love playing ball.
I love playing ball too.
Huh. I have work to do. I can't go out and play ball.
Good catch.
Let me get it.
I missed again. Go get it.
Don't throw it at me. No.
How come nobody wants to help me find it? No one can understand just why I feel so sad. No one can understand how I miss you so. I think about you every day. Please come on home. Even in my dreams, I wish you were here with me now. I would never let you go. I'd hold you in my hands. We would play just like before. Always be together. The 7 spots up on your back only made you oh so special. Please come back, I miss you. Please come back and play with me. Nothing else can take your place. Please come back.
Welcome, miss. Can we help you?
How much for all this stuff?
Let's find out. That's 1 coin.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Come again soon. Now, who's next?
Me. That's a lot of bread.
That's not the right way. You should buy a little bit of everything. Get it? Do you want to take it back and start again?
No, it's not a mistake. Tadpoles get hungry too. I was thinking Speckles might like some bread.
I doubt it. Nah.
Huh?
A frog! Someone put it outside!
No way! It's looking at me!
Shoot it away!
No, my shoe! Come on, Eve. You can't just stand there.
Is it gone? Somebody get it off! Did it just hop? Where did it go now, guys?
So, about that frog. It's right on your head.
Make it stop!
got this under control.
Huh?
I caught it.
That was safe.
You can open your eyes. It won't hurt you.
You saved us. Thank you, Detective.
Sure.
I feel bad for not helping you search more. I know your tadpole wasn't really a pet, but it still meant a lot to you.
Thank you. I'm lucky to have friends like you, and sorry I got upset before.
Wow. You
I was scared. Good thing
jumped as high as the
Kongsuni
frog. So, are you gonna let it outside?
came. Right, out where it belongs. Huh? Look, spots!
What do you mean, Kongsuni?
Speckles!
Who are you talking about?
See? 7 spots. Just like my tadpole. Guys, this is Speckles.
I don't believe it.
All this time you were looking for it.
And it was a frog.
You sure?
Positive. I'd know it anywhere.
You think it was in the classroom this whole time?
Maybe, because why would it want to leave the best classroom ever?
Yeah, good point. What a happy ending.
I found you. You're back, Speckles. I don't know how I lost you, because you were right here. I missed you, Speckles. I don't know where you went.
Super Dad!
Dad,
Huh?
one guess what happened today?
Let me see. Loose tooth?
Nope.
Oh. You sure?
Detectives just know.
Super Dad!
Dad, one guess what happened today?
Let me see. Can I have a hint? You did?
It's kind of like magic.
Hey, hon. Did you hear what happened to Kongsuni's tadpole?
Yeah, I did. Isn't that great news?
It sure is. Feeling better now?
Dad, it's the happiest frog ever. It boings across the classroom.
That's wonderful. You know the steps? How did it turn into a frog?
Well, it wiggled and wiggled till little buds came out. And then I guess stretch came the legs.
Huh?
And then it did a frog kick in the water. And then out popped the arms, just like this. Hey everyone, I'm a frog.
That's the best description I've ever heard. What do you say we read a book about them?
Yeah!
Perfect. This page tells all about it. See here? You're right
She
about
must
the
have
arm
dropped
and
her
leg
bag in
buds.
all the excitement.
Look, the legs pop out right there.
Mom?
What's the matter?
Kongsuni, you didn't say you brought the frog home.
Huh?
Shoo! Get away!
I'll get you, Froggy.
Do something, honey!
Get back.
Don't
Hurry! It's getting away!
It's special! Careful! Over there, under the couch. No.
Every time I think I'm gonna have a nice, quiet night. Well, maybe in my dreams.
Some for you. May I have more, please? Huh. You spelled it.
Dinosaurs should have better manners than that.
Var! I make up my own rules. Var! This T-Rex rules the world.
Maybe he's just hungry.
Tomatoes will never stop a T-Rex. Huh? Guys, look up.
Oh, yeah? We know there's nothing there.
But there is! And it's standing right behind you.
What is?
A big tomato. Just look.
Ah!
Kongsuni, time for breakfast.
I'm coming, Mom.
There you are.
Huh?
What's the matter? Your favorite.
I don't like tomatoes anymore.
No? You've always loved them. What happened?
It's just...
Just try it. See, I made a special flower for you.
Ah! Run!
Okay, I'm running. Is this a game of tag? Okay, I'm coming to get you.
Run!
I am running. Faster?
You'll never catch me!
Okay, I'll go faster. Hungry yet?
Salad? Why did you have to follow me all the way to school? Out, out, out.
Bye, carrots. Can't get me now.